Hi, Jack. Welcome home. How was school today?
School was okay. The bus was loud, really loud.
Loud. So many kids talking?
Yes, everyone was shouting. Even Emma said it was too noisy.
Oh, Emma thought so too? Then it must have been very noisy.
Yeah, noisy and slow. The bus stopped many times.
I see. You must be tired and hungry.
Hungry, yes, super hungry.
Hungry? So you want a snack now?
Yes, I want something to eat right away.
Okay, what would you like? An apple, a banana, or some cookies?
Cookies, please. Do we have cookies?
Cookies? Maybe, but fruit is better after school. Emma also likes apples.
An apple is okay, but can I have milk too?
Of course. Apple with milk. Perfect snack. Your dad likes that snack too.
Thanks, Mom. Snack first, homework later, right?
Exactly. Snack first, homework later. That's the rule. Dad always says it.
Finally, we're home. I'm so ready for screen time.
Me too. 1 hour, right? That's the rule.
Yes, Mom always says 1 hour every day.
And Dad says the same. What hour, not more.
What are you going to play?
Roblox. I always play Roblox after school.
Roblox again? You never get tired?
Nope. Roblox is fun. It's always fun.
I'll watch YouTube. I want to see a new video.
A game video or a music video?
A music video. My friend told me about it.
Oh, so you watch YouTube and I play Roblox.
Yes, that's how we use our screen time.
Where's Mom now?
In the kitchen, making dinner.
And Dad? Still at work?
Yes, Dad comes home later, after we finish screen time.
Okay, then let's start. Roblox for me, YouTube for you.
Deal. 1 hour. Only. Then homework.
Okay, screen time is over. Time for homework now. I'll start with math, but these problems look really hard.
Hi, Emma. I'm home.
Hi, Dad. Just in time. My screen time finished, and now I'm stuck with homework.
Perfect timing then. What's the first problem?
It says 2/3 of 12.
All right, let's think step by step. 12 divided by 3 is what?
4.
Good. Now take two parts. 2 times 4 equals
8. So the answer is 8.
Exactly. 2/3 of 12 is 8. Nice work.
Thanks. But the next one looks harder. It says 1/4 of 16.
okay. A quarter means 1/4. So what is 16 divided by 4?
4.
Right. So 1/4 of 16 is 4.
That makes sense when you explain it slowly.
Math is always easier step by step.
Sometimes I read the question and it feels confusing.
That's normal. When you feel confused, just break it into small steps.
Like divide first, then multiply or count the parts?
Exactly. That's the strategy. Break it down one step at a time.
Thanks, Dad. Mom is still in the kitchen, right?
Yes, I can smell dinner already. And where's Jack?
He's in the living room, reading.
Good. Everyone is busy. That's what I call family time.
Oh, Mom, I don't want to do homework now.
I know, Jack, but homework comes first.
But I'm tired. I just want to play.
You had screen time already. Now it's study time.
Ugh, okay. But I don't understand this question.
Which one? Show me the page.
Here, it says, write about your weekend.
Oh, that's an essay. Let's do it step by step. Start with Saturday morning. What did you do?
I played soccer with my friends. But, Mom, why do I say played and not play?
Good question. Because it already happened. We use the past tense. Play becomes played.
So every sentence in my essay should be past tense?
Yes, when you talk about last weekend, always use the past tense.
Okay, then I write, on Saturday morning, I played soccer with my friends in the park.
Perfect. That's your beginning. Now the middle. What did you do in the afternoon?
I played video games at home. Wait, do I need to say I was playing?
You can, but keep it simple. I played is clear for your essay.
Got it. So I write, in the afternoon, I played video games at home.
Exactly. Simple and correct. Now the evening. What did you do?
I had dinner with my family, and then maybe I say, it was a fun weekend.
Yes, that's a good ending.
So beginning, middle, end with past tense verbs.
Right. That's the structure. Start, add details, finish clearly.
And I should check verbs, right? Make sure they are past tense?
Yes, always check spelling and tense. Played, had, was. Small mistakes can change meaning.
Thanks, Mom. That makes writing easier.
You're welcome. Emma already finished her math, and Dad is cooking dinner. Soon we'll all eat together.
Emma, dinner is ready. Come to the table.
Great! I'm hungry. What did you cook, Dad?
Pasta with vegetables. And Mom made the salad.
It smells so good.
Thanks. Sit down. Jack too. Dinner time.
Jack is washing his hands. He'll be here soon.
Good. Clean hands before dinner. That's the rule.
Dad, today at school, we had a surprise quiz.
A quiz? Which subject?
Science. It was about plants.
Oh, okay. A quiz means a short test in class. It's smaller than an exam.
Yes, it only had 10 questions.
That's right. A quiz is usually quick, just to check what you learned.
I think I got most of the answers right.
Good job! So reading last night helped you.
And at lunch, we had a fire drill.
A fire drill. Oh, I remember those from school.
Everyone had to leave the building.
Exactly. A fire drill is a practice for a real fire. It's not real, but we pretend.
The alarm was very loud.
Yes, the alarm makes sure everyone hears it.
We lined up outside, the teacher counted, and then we went back in.
Perfect. A fire drill shows how to get out safely.
It was quick, but noisy.
Better noisy than dangerous. Safety first.
So today, I had a quiz and a fire drill. Busy day.
Yes, very busy, but you learned and stayed safe. That's important.
True. And now I'm happy to eat pasta.
Food after a long day, that's the best part.
Mom, can I play Roblox a little longer tonight?
You already had your 1 hour of screen time.
I know, but I really want more. Just 1 more hour.
Extra screen time doesn't come for free. You have to earn it.
Earn it? How?
With IXL tasks. Each task gives you 30 minutes of screen time.
So if I do 1 task, I get half an hour?
Exactly. And if you do 2 tasks, you get 1 hour.
What about Emma?
Emma already finished 2 tasks today. She earned her extra hour.
I only did 1. That means I get 30 minutes.
Right. You need 1 more task if you want the full hour.
Okay, I'll do 1 more IXL problem set.
Good choice. Work first, play later. That's the rule.
Can I do it quickly now?
Yes, but do it carefully. Quality is more important than speed.
Okay, if I finish it well, then I get my full Roblox time.
Deal. That's the system.
Thanks, Mom. I like this deal.
Your dad agrees too, and Emma is already on her tablet.
So after my IXL, we both get Roblox time.
Yes. Fair work, fair play. The kids are finally asleep.
Yes, the house is quiet now.
Today felt long, but also good.
True. Emma had her quiz and even a fire drill at school.
She handled it well. She told me she wasn't too nervous.
And Jack worked hard on his writing. He finished a full essay.
Yes, with a beginning, a middle, and an end. I was proud of him.
You explained it so clearly. That helped him.
Thanks. And you helped Emma with math. Fractions are not easy.
She understood step by step. That made me happy.
Dinner was nice too. Everyone shared their stories.
That's what I love about family dinner. Food and talking together.
After dinner, the screen time deal worked well.
Yes, Emma and Jack both finished their IXL tasks.
They earned their Roblox time, and they were proud of it.
Work first, play later. It worked today.
Today was busy, but it was a good day.
Yes, a very good day. The kids learned and the family stayed close.
Tomorrow will be another chance.
Another day, another lesson.